Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is February the 6th on a Tuesday, and you can see the market put in a little spinning top yesterday, a little inside bar. We'll see if we can take out that high, or we're going to attempt maybe to go test this 10-period moving average. But let's look at some nice setups today. First on the list is this CLBT, and looks like an Israeli stock, but I like the way this is setting up. Look how it's riding that 10-period moving average. I have a price alert if it does break above that 5-day high there. One I'll definitely be interested in. WRB, insurance carrier, is looking sweet there. You had a nice gap up on earnings, and now it's been kind of just bleeding down, but now catching its 10-period moving average. Let's go ahead and set a price alert above maybe this 82 level to see if there's any volume coming in and maybe want to push higher from this level. WEAV, another nice setup, guys. We're looking for setups, and you can see this 10-period moving average catching it. I don't know if I'd want this to go all the way to 1350. Maybe I'll cheat a little bit, put one a little bit lower to see, maybe around the 1345 level. DYN. And you can see a very common theme there. You've had a nice little push here, and it's been kind of channeling going sideways. Put your price alert maybe around 2240 level. F5, this is a little bit different thinking. You had earnings, ugly candle on earnings, but now what you have is it kind of channeling once again, finding this level of support. And I would love to see a 5-day break above the 186, maybe 40 level. So put a price alert there. If you have trade ideas, please check out the channel, because there's some nice small caps that are really setting up if you like small cap stocks. So that's it for today. Keep it tight. Oh, one other one, time, China play. Almost forgot about this one. Looking forward to break above, this, several month high there. So watch TME. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.